HNPCC, that is Lynch syndrome. Okay, what we have, one of the following features is false. So we have to look for the false statement. Lifetime risk of developing colorectal 80%. This is true. For FAP, it is 100%. For Lynch syndrome, it is 80%. Little less because they don't have polyps. Okay, they have more malignant potential. Now, females with HNPCC have a 30 to 50% risk of endometrial cancer. Yes, true. I'll show you the features in the next slide. It is much more malignant. That's a false statement. Because of absence of polyps, adenomas, this one is lesser malignant. As you can see here, first statement also. There it is 100%, but here it is 80%. So less majority occur in proximal colon. True. So HNPCC, this is the point number 1, most common hereditary, more common than FAP. Okay. Increased colorectal cancers and associated cancers in the endometrium, ovary, stomach, small bowel, small intestine. So other coexisting, it predisposes to cancers, other parts of the body. Lifetime risk of colorectal cancer is 80%. Mean age of diagnosis is 45 years. Higher than FAP. FAP is much more malignant. Picked up very early. Because of absence of polyps, HNPCC is diagnosed at a later stage, but still very young. The standard colorectal cancer age is 60 and beyond. But this is still young compared to that classical age. Most cancers develop in the proximal, so right side is more common compared to left side. Again, autosomal dominant, the only common feature between these two. Now, genetics. Now, these two syndromes, genetics are very commonly asked. So, you should know about details of APC gene. I'll just show you, I think I have a question on adenoma carcinoma sequence. So, you should know the exact action of genes in this pathway. Now, here the mutation is in the mismatch repair gene. MMR protein or MMR gene, that is mismatch repair. DNA repair, you have read a lot about DNAs in genetics. So most common, there are so many genes involved here, MLH1, 2, 3, MSH1. The most common, again this question, I think there was a question asked on this, MLH1 and MSH2, please remember this. The two most commonly involved gene in Lynch syndrome, MLH1 and MSH2. And the name of these genes is MSI gene, that is microsatellite instability genes on 2p, that is long arm of chromosome 2, and they form the MMR protein, that is mismatch repair protein, that leads on to the cancer.